In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite your users and teams in ClickUp. By the end, you'll be confident adding people to your workspace and organizing them into teams so you can share work faster and more consistently. Start by opening ClickUp and heading to your account area. Look toward the top of the interface and click your profile avatar to open your account menu. From there, choose Settings. This is where you'll manage workspace level items, including who has access. Inside Settings, go to the People section. This page is your central hub for user management. If your workspace is larger, it helps to use the search field to type a name or an email to quickly check whether someone is already a member. If you don't see them, you're ready to send an invitation. Click the Invite People button. In the Invite panel, select the option to invite by email. Enter one or more work email addresses for the people you want to add. If you're inviting several at once, you can paste them in a list to save time. It's a good practice to double-check spelling and domains so the invites reach the right inboxes. When everything looks good, click Send Invite. ClickUp will email each person with a link to join your workspace. If someone can't find the email, ask them to check their spam or promotions folder. Invites sometimes land there depending on company filters. With individuals invited, let's organize them into teams. In Settings, switch to the Teams section. Teams in ClickUp are groups of users that make it easier to share spaces, assign tasks, and manage permissions at scale. Create a new team if you don't already have one that fits your needs, and give it a clear, descriptive name so others immediately understand its purpose. After the team is created, click Add Members. You can search for existing users by name or enter their email addresses to include people you've just invited. Add everyone who should collaborate in that group and confirm your changes. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure you have the right level of permission to invite users. Many workspaces reserve this for admins or owners. If your organization uses standardized naming, keep team names consistent so they're easy to find later. And remember, new users can only access what you share with them, so teams are a powerful way to ensure the right people see the right work from day one. That's it. Your users are invited and your teams are set up for smooth collaboration.